Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sign out of Pokémon Go. To sign out of Pokémon Go on your mobile device, first of all, launch open the Pokémon Go application and then, from the home page, tap on the Pokeball icon at the bottom of the screen. From the several menus displayed on the screen, tap on Settings at the top right corner. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then tap on Sign Out. Confirm that you'd like to sign out by tapping on Yes in the pop-up, and you will be logged out of your account. You can log in back using your preferred method, such as Google account, Facebook, Apple ID, or Pokémon Trainer Club credentials. So that's how you easily sign out of Pokémon Go application using your mobile device. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Pokémon Go tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.